what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, I do.
Uh-huh. So whether it's AI generated or you are using, there are some apps that you you use that help you to still generate web pages. So you still, at the end of the day, after you build the website the first time, if you don't know how to handle HTML, subsequently, whenever the person needs changes to be made on the website, you don't want to go and be looking for Wix.com or looking for that software that you use to generate the web pages. You want to be able to show your expertise that, okay, I don't just know how to use AI to generate pages. I can actually modify the pages the way I want, the exact fine tuning to the tiniest details. For instance, all those spaces that you're seeing there, you'll be surprised that it is just one small CSS setting or, you know, yeah, CSS setting or style that can change it, and make it look more like you manage the space better. Anyway, so that's the whole idea. You should still remember, don't forget your HTML, what you learned when we were doing JavaScript and HTML. I was even taking a look at some what do you call them? Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
Okay. So I said I was taking a look at some um JavaScript libraries that you know are used for modern day um what do you call it? Modern day web development. So I saw some that I think that it will be good if we you know venture into it. But I want us to really finish up with what do you call them with Excel. Then I think we can now do that. Maybe look at those libraries. Yeah. Okay. So. Um. So what are you doing now? I saw you checking for sensors
I just want to make it bigger. I want to make the paragraphs look more.
to add more information to it.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. So while you were at home, what did you do with your time today?
Today.
Yes.
Also, what happened was I kind of lost um I lost a really good one of this. So
What do you mean?
I was just trying to find like a even better one, and then this came up.
What do you mean that you lost a really good one on this?
No, because I couldn't find it. Like I was checking everywhere. I was checking the history.
What
I
you
couldn't.
created? You could not find what you created.
Yes.
How did that happen? Is it that it did
So
not?
so what happened was the laptop shut down, and then when I went back to look at it, because we're going to have class today, I was checking the history and stuff, and then I just
Don't
couldn't.
understand. Did you say the laptop shut down by itself?
No, 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 no.
So what do you mean by the laptop shut down?
No, like I'm what I mean by because I was going to bed, then I shut down the laptop.
Okay.
And then when I came back to check today, because we were going to have class, I
Mm-hmm.
noticed that I couldn't find it. I was checking my history and stuff, and I still couldn't find it. So, yeah. Okay, so I've added more information for it.
So would you not need to add more for the others, not just for that one?
This one is, yeah, but the others are already like this one is good size. It's a good size paragraph.
So,
And then the other is just and then can I go to social media connections, the
so
locations.
how you where are you going? What are you going to put for those social media handles?
We could put like the actual like Vega company.
Okay. That
Like the
Vega company.
Facebook,
That
Instagram
really
to the
that
Twitter.
really your that company.
Sir?
That's Vega company. Is that really the name of your dad's company?
Oh no, so there are like different parts of like Vega, so that there's like around the world. There are multiple company of Vega.
Uh-huh.
So
So why did you that's my
my dad worked at one of Vega's place. Like he worked on one of the Vega's place. So then he
okay.
created then now he has like one where he sells stuff to other people.
I see. Okay. All right. That's fine. Um so what's your next plan for this website? What's the next step you're taking for it?
Um, the next plan for this.
Mm.
I don't really it's like add more stuff. But I don't know like this is the end. I want it to be like more.
Okay, when you say add more stuff, add more information about the business.
Yeah,
I see. So when are you going to be able to figure out what you will add?
like day or tomorrow or Thursday.
Mm.
Or maybe Wednesday and Thursday. Like before we have our class.
Okay. You can. I want you to go to. I want you to go to Excel. Let's work on Excel a bit.
Yeah, please, yes. Let's see.
Okay, so I want to just show you, there's some, we've been looking at the what do you call it? The different menu, um menu options, right? We started with home, right? After home, we looked at insert. Have we looked at insert?
No, we haven't.
Okay, so insert has different things, but now, um, we can't just look at them randomly because they have specific, what do you call it, uses, and I don't just want to just do them randomly. I want it to be like a functional thing. So, let me see something that would be very uh helpful to us for our work. So I want you to first highlight two things for me. Hi, no, please don't click on anything else. Gabby, I know your mouse can act up, but try not to click on something else. I want you to highlight or select. I don't know how you want to do it, but select subject and score percentage. Select subject and score percentage. Yes, thank you. Just select up to 87 music. 87 music. Up, down, go all the way down to 87 music. Yes. Is that everything? Uh-huh. Okay, good. Have you selected it? Go up to 87 now. You're not selecting up to 87. Stretch it to 87.
Oh,
If your mouse is not allowing you to work, why not get the mouse pad? Okay, you have selected it. All right, now click on, you see that place where it says recommended chat. Click on that recommended chat. Let's see what Excel is recommending for us to use. Recommended chat. Yes. So now, let me say something here before you choose anyone, right? Now, you know that Excel can be used to capture data. I'm sure you remember some of the uses that we said for Excel. Among those uses is, what do you call it? Data analysis, right? Do you remember? Simeon, I'm asking you, do you remember?
yeah, a little bit.
A little. Which one is a little? Is it that you remember or you don't remember? Do you remember?
Yeah, the,
Ah, which one is a little again? So Excel, like I said, can be used for data analysis. Now, when you want to analyze data, most of the times you want to see not just colors, but you want to see graphs that show you what's happening. So, which of these graphs do you think will represent better? For instance, somebody that wants to see which one his child scored highest in. Which of these graphs do you think will show us that information best?
so
Eh?
this one here.
The one that you have your mouse over.
Yes,
Oh yeah, now click on it. Let's see. It says so. And you better be sure because anything that you are saying will be like you recommending it to somebody. So click on it if you say so. Okay, good. Well done.
it's a
So I have
picture.
to say it to shift it well. Now, are you sure this shows data clearly? Do you
Yes,
think it shows it best? I'm not saying that your choice is wrong. I'm just asking if you feel
yes,
if after.
because the other ones like you have to like guess a little bit.
I didn't get you. Come again. What did you say?
Yes.
Sorry, the network did not allow me hear you well. What did you say?
Yes, because the other ones,
Yeah.
like you have to guess a little bit about them. Because it's not too obvious what they are.
Okay.
But
All
this
right.
one, like, he puts the numbers. And if you want to get the highest, you can tell
Uh-huh.
because this bar is big, is the biggest. And to get the smallest, you can tell because this one is the smallest.
Okay. Okay. All right. I like that idea. I like that idea.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. All right. So, all right. So let's examine it. So based on this now, which one has the highest score?
Mathematics.
Mathematics. Okay.
Hello?
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay.
All right. So why I asked you um um this, right? Based on what we have, data analysis is just you trying to make sense out of the data. Okay, I want you to see it that way. Make sense
Okay.
out of the data. Uh, yeah, I think that's the best way to say it. I was thinking of a possibly better way, but I think that's the best way to say it. So if you want to make sense out of data, especially when the data is just staring you in the face, okay, that kind of thing, you need what do you call it? A graph. Graphs usually make the best sense, okay? All right, so let's this is the last one that we did, right? Let's click on the student
Connected.
data. You are
Sir?
connecting. Are
Sir?
are you connecting your speaker?
Yes.
You should have connected it before we even started the class now, so that you'll be hearing me from the beginning.
Oh no, I could hear you. I don't want you to be like, I don't want this to be louder.
You want the whole house to hear you.
No, I just wanted it to be louder.
Okay, you say so. So is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Mm-mm.
Okay. All right. Um so click on student data. Have you done that? Click on student data. The next sheet. Click on student data.
Thanks.
Now we want to investigate some things about student data.
Thank you, sir.
Mhm. What are the things you think we can do? What are the things you think we can investigate from here? Imagine that you are a data analyst and you want to enable your clients
What,
to make
like,
this.
what are people's favorite clubs? What are people's
Okay,
favorite sports?
okay,
What are people's favorite hobbies?
okay,
And like, what are people's which one? Which movie category does more people like? And
okay,
and yeah, you can't really
okay,
do it with the you can't really do it with school but subscribers.
okay, okay. All right. Okay, okay, okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. I like that. Okay, fine. Um, hmm, okay, so let's start with uh, what uh, what movie category do more people like, right?
Yeah, you can see
Okay,
here.
so how do you
It's
think?
sci-fi.
Yeah,
Or you can find the average for it.
average.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, I know that that table there shows something, but let us say we want to see it in a graphical manner, like that graph. Okay, so you know what we'll do? You see that table where you see sci-fi, anime, comedy, horror, thriller, where you have it summarized. Select that table. Do the same way you did for that um, report card. Yes, good. Now go to insert and look for the best chart that will show us that information plainly. Which one do you think will show us that information? I like that pie chart, but I want to hear your own view. Which one do you think will show us the information plainly? Who has
Oh, this one then.
the pie chart?
Yeah, because you can tell this sci-fi. You could read the colors as well. You can tell
Okay,
sci-fi biggest,
yes,
then anime second biggest, then
yes,
thriller third biggest, horror.
interest.
Horror. You can tell because horror and comedy they're like the same.
Good. I like that. I like
Also,
that.
this one could be good as well
Okay.
because they're like
A bar
um
chart, right?
they're integers.
Uh,
So you can tell this one's the biggest, you can tell this one's second biggest, this third, and these
good,
two are the fourths.
good, good. Excellent. I like that. So your decision making process is very neat. It's I think for that I can say that um, you are good. You're good with that. So um,
Yeah, I think this one because a little bit on the pie charts. Like if you don't really see it clearly, you seem that like if you're doing it as like a paper and like
mm,
you're on the like it's flipped around, people
mm,
might think that the thriller is like bigger than the anime. But this one like
okay.
makes it more clear.
Uh,
So
okay. Okay. That's fine. Okay, that's good.
uh
Okay. So the bar chart equally which one has more. Of course, I think the pie chart too does a good job because of, like you said, the color and all that. Okay,
yeah,
beautiful, beautiful. Let's look for something else. So, can you reduce the size of that chart or move it? Okay, good. Move it to the right hand side. Can move it somewhere to the right so that yes. Okay, that's good.
I want it to be at the same size.
The same size with okay with the table.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. All right. Nice. Okay. All right. That's good. All right. So, um, 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 let's see. Uh, let's see the next one. Um, let's see some a representation of the data on the club. Yes. So you know how to do it. Select it first. Yes, that one. Yes. No. You have to click outside. No, if you do like that, it will not work on him. Yes. Okay, good. All right. So go to insert, look for a recommended chart. Let's see. Now, if you look at this pie chart, it looks like some of them are looking the same, right? So we
yeah,
can't
yeah.
really tell. So I think bar chat will do a better job, right? Or what do you
Yeah,
think?
yeah, I think so as well.
Uh, bar chat will do a better job. So bar chat will do a better job.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait,
All right.
I want to move this to
You want to do what?
move this, like move it somewhere.
Are you sure? Okay. If you want to move it, you have to do a cut operation. Highlight everything, then cut, and then you got to paste it where you want it to be. You know how to do cut, right? Yes. So you can either do Control X. So go to the place where you want to paste it, and then you now paste. I think
Uh,
you can actually paste it under,
Cut.
uh,
Um,
then paste. Good. Uh-huh.
but now it's small. I need to make it big.
I think you need to stretch it. Number of those who subscribe to Boston. Okay. Yes. Okay. But then, okay, so you can now go and work on your chart look. Okay, all right, okay, okay, all right, that's fine. Okay, so this bar chart clearly shows us the um, what do you call it? How the information looks for clubs. Okay, we still have others there. We have hobbies, and then we have favorite sports, right?
Yes, so.
So um, okay. So you can also let's look at hobbies. Let's look at hobbies. Hmm. Okay. Does pie chart show information that we can, clearly see which hobby has more people, or does bar chart do a better job?
No, this one because why does it put like 3.5 and stuff?
Why does it put 3.5?
Yeah,
Well,
but I think it's still good.
it's a suggestion. It's not saying that there's any data there that has 3.5. But I'm just looking at the way you are reducing it. Is it still clearly visible?
Not for this one.
Uh-huh. Now, I think you should give it a title. Click on that place where it says chat title and specify that it's for hobby. Specify that it's for hobby. Uh-huh. Yeah. You know why? Because it's looking like it is close to sport. So let's not think that it is for sport. So give them titles so that you can know which one they are just by looking at them.
Oh my God, what's happening?
See your mouse that's acting up.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Are you using a mouse pad?
Don't have.
Huh?
I don't have one.
So that last time you were using a book, right?
Yeah.
So is it that same book you're using now?
No, I'm not. I'm not using anything.
Ah,
Can I go get? Can I go get the book?
no wonder. Yes, now. If the book helped
Okay.
you really well last time.
But
Is it
I'm back.
okay now?
Yeah.
Okay, better. Okay. All right. So we have done for hobbies. I think you need to spell your hobbies well.
Oh, yeah. We talk. Oh, yeah. Oh, mistake.
Is it still there like that?
Oh no, no, no. That was me. That was me.
Hobbies, you still left out S. It's S that you left out.
Oh, when
So
I
that
double
one,
click, if that's when I accidentally double click, is that showing the stuff?
okay. This one is
Mm, no.
that's hobbies. Now you've already done hobbies.
Oh, sorry,
I
mistake.
think it's what you want to do.
Why? Oh, why is Obi so? Oh, it doesn't even matter because he has his own title,
Uh,
so you can like put it them on the side,
exactly.
so you can even make them bigger.
You want to make that one bigger.
Yeah. Okay. Mm, mm.
Okay. So which one are you using?
I think.
Bar charts too.
Yeah. I think this one, Bachat is really good for all of these.
Okay. 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 So you are going to change the title, right? After
Yeah.
you.
How's it? How's it moving with my left arm?
What did you say?
It was moving with my arrow.
I don't understand what you mean by moving with your arm.
Like you know my four, like the four arrows up.
Uh,
Yeah, I do, it was moving
it
with
should,
it.
it should, of course now. Why it will. It will. It definitely should support arrows movement because arrows movement and your what do you call it? Your mouse, they are the same thing technically. So it
Oh,
should support it. But it's just that you may have more control when it comes to your mouse. But sometimes
oh,
the mouse may hang and you still want to achieve something. So yeah. Okay.
okay.
Fourth. Uh-huh. All right. Then the one that's top right, that's number of bot subscribers. I think that's the one that's left here. That's probably. Okay. All right. So this one, yes, pie chart is perfect, but it shows clearly which one is more. Seems like we have number of people who do not subscribe for the bus service are more clearly from this pie chart. That's a good one. So can you see something that it's not like numbers are not good though, but some people I don't know how to say it, and I'm not saying it's a good thing, but some people are allergic to numbers. No, I don't know if allergic is the right word to use, but you understand what I'm trying to say, right?
Yeah, yes.
So numbers uh, maybe make some people feel overwhelmed when they see 15, 10, 8, 9, they feel overwhelmed. But when they see colors, they see shapes,
Yeah,
they are somewhat comfortable. Do you understand what I'm saying?
yeah.
Uh-huh. So change the chat title for that one that you just did last. I don't know what we're going to call it. Bot subscribers, I don't know. Or bot service. I don't know how you call it whatever you want to call it. But let it shall reflect what it represents. Okay. All right. So this is good. So now I don't know whether you notice something. You can format even the color of those bars in the bar chart. Okay. So maybe I'll leave that for you to do on your own. You can but then no, you don't. Okay, you can if you want to do it that way, it's fine. Now they can all be the same colors though for a particular one. So like favorite club, all of them can be that red. You understand what I'm trying to say? No, don't
Yes.
change their colors. What I'm saying is for favorite club now, all of them can be red. uh So we'll just know the difference based on you understand
Color.
the height, the color,
Titles
uh,
and color.
the height, the titles and the color. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. So you figured out how to alter all of them at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay,
Okay. I did it.
right. Yes, I think the price chart is okay. Don't change the
Yeah,
color
I
of the
don't think you don't have to change it by bus service.
the bus service is okay like that. Okay, so you see those other sheets, right? House moving inventory, sheet one, county, all of them.
Where?
Look at the ones beside them on the left. On your own, I want you to look at each of them and look at the
Wait
distance.
for.
Just like
Wait, wait,
you
wait, 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 please. What do you mean? Please, can you repeat what you
just
said?
see the sheet, this house moving inventory.
Sir?
Look at it now. Look, okay, I'm going to point it now. Have you seen where I'm
Yes.
pointing?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh. So on your own, I want you to like
Oh, I get what you
you
mean.
understand what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Up with what you feel. Now remember how we started this thing. You ask yourself, what do you think the user will be interested in? You understand? What do you
Yeah.
think? No, it will not work like that. Don't worry. Just you have to think about it first. Then you now know which one to select and which one not to select. So um, you ask yourself, what do you think a client will be interested in? Then you now know which data and which one to select. Okay, you now know which one and which one to select. And then you know um, come up with a chart. So I think each of them have information that you can work with. All right. So remember that your system needs an update. Make sure that you install that update so that that's what is holding the camera from working. So when
It
we're done
needs. It says I need to restart
with
it
that,
now.
I know that I understand. That's why I'm saying you should, after our class now, make sure that you restart it. You understand what I'm saying? Don't say you will do it later. You will forget. You
Mm.
understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Do you have any questions on what we just did now?
Yes, I do.
What questions do you have?
So, is there only like a limited recommended charts? Because when we checked those ones, there were only like four or five.
And well, that's why it is recommended. But then nothing stops you from using. You can see to the right hand side of that recommended chart. You can see different types of charts you can use. But
Oh,
then now, the only problem now is that some of them you don't know how to configure them. That's why the recommended charts came in handy. But nothing stops you from trying them out.
okay, sir.
You get.
Eh,
Uh-huh.
Okay,
So
sir.
you try them out. It looks good. It shows you how your data is behaving. That's what's important. Your
Okay.
client wants to see something that can give them information. Why? Because they can quickly make a decision with that information. I want you to think about it in a real life scenario. You show that student data. Imagine this the management of a school. They are trying to decide which clubs, we are spending too much money on clubs. Which clubs should we do away with? Which clubs should we keep? You understand what I'm trying to say? That kind
Yeah,
of
yeah. Yes,
decision,
sir. Yes, sir.
business decision. And if they don't make that decision right, and they go and end a club that is bringing in more money for them, can you imagine how disastrous that would be?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
uh So they want to make the right decision, and then the data analyst is the person that will help them to make that right decision based on what is presented to them in what is called the data analysis report. So this is just a step in that direction of how to do it. So you can see that Excel can do a lot of things, and data analysis is one of them, which can be very important for making tough business decisions. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so I think we'll continue next time. But please,
Oh,
like I said, remember to install that update and then look at the others and see what you
oh.
can make out of them.
And sir, you said you were going to send me work to do in emails.
Yes, I did. I forgot. I totally forgot. I got carried away with things at work. But okay, that's fine. But then this one that I've given you now, work on it. Um, um, I may send you stuff to do, but not before our next class because I'm thinking now between today and tomorrow, you may not have enough time to finish this and still do um what I will send to you. Then you also have the website to work on. So I think I'll send it to you maybe after our Thursday class. Is that okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. How are your siblings,
Oh, they're doing good.
Shalom and
Oh,
Sharon?
that's good, sir.
They are good. All right.
Yeah,
In
yes, sir.
regards to them.
Okay, sir. I will.
Okay. All right.
Okay, yes, sir.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too, sir. Have a nice day. See you on
All right.
Thursday.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, bye.